Glazing the panels. Before glazing, ensure the slider pulls into the outer frame and locks properly. See your instruction on how to adjust. Glaze the external panel first. Insert glazing block in the bottom rail directly above the wheels, ensuring they don't cover the drainage holes. Insert the double glazed unit and pack tightly and evenly, making sure the unit doesn't move in the panel. Fit the bottom beads first by locating the back of the bead into the rebate at one end only, making sure the opposite end is lower. With the palm of your hand, push the face of the bead upwards into the chamber and work along. When fitting vertical beads, put the top and bottom ends in and work towards the center. Once the patio door is glazed, it might be necessary to adjust the wheels. Check that the slider moves freely. Check that the meeting stile cover doesn't catch the track or the head of the outer frame. Trim if necessary.